Mountain climber on chair. So it's gonna be the similar setup as front balance control. Hands go on handles or Wunda Chair. We're on 2 medium to heavy springs. Heavier springs is gonna assist the client getting up and out of the floor. From here, you're gonna inhale, bring your ball down to the foot, push down with your belly, full control, always hands on part of the chair. You're gonna bring that leg up to the seat, okay? Feeling the length through the crown of the head, finding that nice little 45-degree lean. My tailbone to the crown of the head, one straight line. Inhale. Exhale, pushing up. Find your front control balance. From here, you're gonna start to think of scootering that back leg into your mountain climber, finding that length. If you're on Wunda Chair, hands can always be on the chair seat. If you're ready for an advancement, you find your balance. Inhale, exhale. Finding that glute connection on that standing leg that's on the seat. Not letting your client lean, feeling your belly connect up and off that thigh that's pushing down into the seat. Last 2. One more. Hands always come to the seat or handles to press the pedal down. Bringing that foot all the way to the floor, slowly returning your pedal. And that is our mountain climber on chair.